So today we're going to run through a quick video showing you exactly how to pair the new Pandora Watch to your alarm system. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure the watch is fully charged, and to do that you need to plug into the side here on a micro USB lead and then straight into USB to charge it, as you would do with your phone itself. As you can see on the right hand side, it will show you a percentage of the battery charged. I know this one isn't fully charged, but we're still going to do the demonstration through there as well. On the top left hand corner here, it's also showing connectivity. As we can see that there is no connectivity, and obviously the time's wrong as well. Now I need to place the alarm system in programming mode, and to do this we need to locate the valet switch. On this vehicle it's sat up the top here, and on the front it's got a clear face with a flashing light on it. This is actually a button that you can press. Now the most important part is to make sure that the vehicle is parked somewhere safe, and only do this if you're confident enough to do it. If you don't, please take it to an authorized dealer and they will be happy to prepare it for you. You have to understand that if you press the wrong presses on the button, you could go into the wrong programming menu and you could disrupt something else like the immobilizers and stuff like that. So you need to follow this step by step. So we've located the valet switch, and what we're going to do is we're going to enter the code 1111, and to do that make sure the system is disarmed and the ignition is fully switched off. Don't switch the ignition on at any point through the install or through the programming. So we're going to press the button once, which could get a beep to confirm the first digit, second digit, red light flashes, third digit, and fourth digit. The LED will flash green, red, green, red, green, red to confirm that it's in programming. You then need to press it one more time. Now this is indicating with a red light that you're in programming menu 1, but it also has a remote already programmed into it. So to take the remote, which is already in there, out of the system, we want to hold on to it for 3 seconds. You'll then come up with a green light. Now the green light indicates it's ready for programming, and we can now move on to the watch itself. Now that the alarm system's in programming mode or pairing mode, you have 30 seconds to get your watch paired up. So moving on to your watch, if we just light the screen up with the bottom left hand corner, we're going to firstly press this button here on the side. It takes you into this menu. Then we can carry on scrolling down using the same button to settings. If we then press the top right hand button to select, we then press the same button again to select Bluetooth. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to enable Bluetooth on the watch itself by pressing the top right hand one, and it will show you enabled in the top. We're then going to scroll down to vehicle, again top right hand button, and then we're going to press that again to connect to the alarm system. It's now searching for the alarm system to pair. Once it displays found, which it has done here, we can press the tick at the top right hand corner, just light the screen up. And we also want to then enable, so back up to the top right, enable again, up to the top. So we're going to use this button to take it up to the top there. We're then going to press the tick to enable and then come back out again, and you'll see it's connected to the vehicle itself there. If we then take ourselves back out again, up on the screen it's connected. So you'll be able to see from the top left hand corner just in front of the bonnet that it's basically got a connection sign there. We now need to take the alarm system out of pairing mode, and to do that we need to hold on to the valet button for 10 beeps. Now not all systems will beep, but this one does, and you'll be able to see from the LED. So you're almost going to count to 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You get a funny little beep. Wait a few seconds. So this is now taking the alarm system out of pairing mode. You'll need to jump out the car, shut all the doors, press the lock, unlock, lock and unlock to sync up the factory remote. Onto the watch we can now test it. Top right left hand corner we can press for lock. We want to get it just inside the cog there on the right hand side. And then to disarm we're going to do the same thing to unlock. Second one down is remote engine start, and we've got lots of functions on the watch as well. So this is all now paired and ready to go. Moving on to the Pandora app for Android. To pair with the Android app, you're going to open Pandora Online. going to click the three buttons on the top, settings, and then we're going to look for Pandora smartwatch. We're then going to go into not specified. Onto the watch, you're going to press the bottom left-hand button to go back into your programming menu. Back to settings, click on the tick sign using this button at the top. Again on Bluetooth, and this time we're going to scroll down to phone. We're then going to click on the top right-hand corner and click connect. To your phone, if we scroll right to the bottom, you will see Pandora. If we click on that, it's now connected to your phone itself, so it's press found. We're then going to press the top button on the corner there once, and then we're going to click up to the top and enable phone, so it's ready to go. Back out again, and you'll see all three ticks on all three of those there. Onto the actual app itself, and you can see you can turn on notifications, enable commands, and we can also turn on notifications through 3G and stuff through the actual phone, and the connection through what it tells the actual watch itself to do. Pair into an iPhone. If you open your Pandora Pro app, click on the three lines at the top, settings, and you've got Pandora SW title. If we click on this, we then click on not defined, and it will start to search for the watch. Moving on to the watch, bottom left hand corner, same again until we scroll down to settings, top right hand button to select Bluetooth, and this time we're going to scroll down to phone. We're then going to select with the top right hand button, and we're going to press connect, and it will search for device. Back onto the iPhone. If you look on the actual bottom of the watch itself, you'll see it will come up with a serial number. It will also come up with Pandora, and it will have a number next to it. So on this one, it's 0196. If we look onto here, you can see it says 0196 on there. So if we just click on that one, click on pair, click on found at the top right hand side. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on the middle button on the watch, and you're going to make sure you enable phone. Back out, give it a few seconds, and it will come up with a tick next to the phone itself. Back onto the phone, it's very important, if you want the notifications for your phone sent through to your watch, you press allow. When you come back out again to control, it takes you back to the main screen. If we click on here, all three ticks should be enabled. So your first one is your Bluetooth switched on, the vehicle connection, and the phone as well. So if we now take ourselves back out, you'll see on the main screen here, everything will come up. Now, everything that your phone, GSM notifications and everything will display up on the watch itself. If you have any problems with the pairing of Bluetooth with iPhone, you can always, the best thing to do is go into settings, into the phone settings, into Bluetooth. As you can see, we've tried to pair two here. We want to forget this device in the actual Bluetooth settings of the phone itself. Sometimes it will pair, but not pair correctly for the first time, and if we just make sure that Pandora is deleted from there, if we then go back into the actual phone app as well, it should be then clear to come back up. Time's actually wrong on this one, so we're going to press the bottom left hand corner. We're going to then carry on down to settings, click on the tick, scroll down to date and time. And we've got a couple of functions here and different ways that we can actually change the time and the setting itself. So if we can scroll down to manual time, click on that one, click on time again, so left hand button, and then tag again. We can actually adjust the time to what we want it to be. So we'll just change it to 1:12, and that will change it all there for you, ready to go.